Hello friends, I'm Vijayanand. I'm welcoming you on my channel Vijayanand Master Mix, and today I'm covering defense related points from January to June 2017. Please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Agni 4 is a ballistic missile. It has range of 4000 kilometers. It has been successfully test fired from Abul Kalam Island, which was previously known as Wheeler Island. It is in Odisha. BrahMos Block 3 land attack cruise missile LACM successfully test fired from Andaman and Nicobar Island. Agni 2 missile, medium range nuclear loading capable missile, successfully test fired. It has range of 2000 kilometers. Prithvi 2 is surface to air missile, successfully test fired from Balashore in Odisha. It has range of 350 kilometers. Spider missile is surface to air missile, successfully test fired from Balashore. It has been developed by Israel. INSAS, that is Indian National Small Arms System. These guns will be soon replaced by better ones. DRDO has successfully test fired Nag missile. These are third generation ATGM, that is anti-tank guided missiles. These work on fire and forget technology. That means if you fire and forget, it will hit the target. And it works on imaging, infrared radar and avionics system technologies mix. Sound and infrared. Air to air BVR, that is beyond visual range technology. These have been successfully test fired by Tejas of Derby. Is Israel technology which works on Mach 4 speed. It has range of 50 kilometers. Pinaka is India's nuclear carrying capable missile. It has range of 65 kilometers, successfully test fired from Chandipur from Odisha. Navy successfully test fired BrahMos missile. It's a joint venture of India and Russia. Brahmaputra and Moskova, these two rivers, and together these two have given name BrahMos to this missile. Parak missile, surface to air missile, developed by Israel. It will be first installed on the INS Vikramaditya, and this will cost 860 crore rupees. DRDO and Israel have signed a pact of $630 million, and together they will develop a long range surface to air missile LRSAM, and 4 ships will get these first. Army to get Akash missile system. It is a small range surface to air missile system. Interceptor missile successfully test fired from Dr. Abul Kalam Island. It will to shoot down BMD, that is ballistic missile defense, and DRDO and BMD shield. DRDO will get the BMD shield by 2022. Army to get 11 Apache multi-role helicopters from USA. 22 will be given to Air Force, and presently Mi-25 and Mi-35 of Russia, these two helicopters are working. Working ALH indigenously made are Rudra, and 144 LCH will also be soon developed. India and Israel to develop medium range missile. This will be surface to air missile for army, and it will cost 17,000 crore rupees. Netra is first indigenously developed airborne early warning and control system. It has been in operation in India, and two related systems which names are Falcon, which are airborne warning and control system. Israel has given it to India. Kamov 2260 are light utility helicopters, and these have been developed in a joint venture of HAL and Rosovoronexport of Russia. These are coming soon to India. CRPF will use robots in directing IEDs in Naxal areas, and IIT Bombay has made it. Pava shells, that is pelargonic acid vinylamide shells, will be used in place of pilot guns in Kashmir Valley. Kandheri is second Scorpion submarine, and DCNS, that is French Naval Defense and Energy Company, and Majgaon Dock Limited of Mumbai are building it. 22 US drones will come to India in $2 to $3 billion. DRDO signed deal with JSHN, that is Jindal Stainless Hisar Limited, to make light nitrogen steel HNS in a joint venture, and these have set up a plant at Hyderabad, and these will make lighter ballistic strength steel for missiles, and this will reduce the import. Army has got ultralight howitzer guns from USA. 145 guns will cost 2,900 crore rupees. India will train Myanmar's navy. India and Myanmar conducted joint military exercise Nomadic Elephant 2017. It took place from 5th to 18 April 2017 at Wairangte in Mizoram. India and Singapore conducted joint naval exercise SIMBEX. Full form is Singapore India Maritime Bilateral Exercise. It took place in South China Sea. These are running since 1994. This exercise is running. Malabar is a joint naval exercise between India, USA and Japan. It held at Bay of Bengal from July 7 to 17. USA is a part of it from 1992 and Japan is a part of it from 2015. Tezu is Arunachal Pradesh's latest airport. It is at a very strategic location. Kandla Port has been renamed as Deen Dayal Port Trust, and it will connect India with Chabahar Port of Iran. India's first indigenously aircraft carrier INS Vikrant will be completed by 2020. It is under preparation at Kochi shipyard. Swati is WLR, that is weapon locating radar. DRDO has given it to Army. It has a range of 50 kilometers. INS Kalveri is first indigenous conventional submarine, and it will be ready by July or August 2017. INS Virat, which was world's oldest frigate, is now out of service. BrahMos missile supersonic cruise missile successfully test fired from Chandipur in Odisha. It can carry 300 kilograms of warhead. 123 indigenously made light combat aircraft will join Indian Air Force by 2024. It will replace MiG. Tupolev 142M, which were Navy's iconic aircrafts, and these were anti-submarine warfare aircrafts. These have been decommissioned, and USSR made these, and these were in service of Indian Navy for past 30 years. This is additional fact that I am telling you about Tupolev 142M. These have been replaced by Boeing P-81. These are new aircrafts for Navy, and INS Rajali are getting it for the first time. Sea mine counter technology has been given by Israel at 311 crore rupees. Medium range surface to air missile given by Israel at $1.6 billion. Web portal and app for CRPF is Bharat Ke Veer. This is for fundraising and also creating awareness among people regarding CRPF. Vidya Veerta Abhiyan is a program of Ministry of HRD to install nationalism among students, and Paramveer Chakra awardees, their portrait and their pictures will be installed in educational institutions. New helpline number of CRPF is 14411. Its name is Madadgar and it is for Kashmir only. Soldiers can WhatsApp Bipin Rawat their unheard grievances. The mobile number is 0964333 00008. AFSPA has been extended for 3 months in Assam. This rule has come into effect from 3rd of May. NTRO, that is National Technical Research Organization, and this will be covered now under Intelligence Act. Operation Gram Hawa started by BSF. This operation run in areas close to Pakistan to stop illegal entry of contraband items. INS Kirch and Dornier aircrafts. These two were in operation to find out Maldives landing craft Maria 3. Maria 3 lost its weights and it was drifting in the sea, and India helped in locating it out from INS Kirch and Dornier aircraft. Larsen & Toubro and Hanwha Techwin of South Korea will make K9 Vajra T artillery guns. 100 guns will cost 4,500 crore rupees. Reliance Defense and Engineering of Anil Ambani Group has signed contract with US Navy for repair and service of 7th Fleet. Nova Integrated Systems Limited (NISL), which is a subsidiary of Tata Advanced Systems, they have signed a deal with Indian Navy for making a surface surveillance radar (SSR) project. Lockheed Martin of USA with Tata Advanced System Limited. These will make F-16 Block 70 fighter aircrafts in India. First indigenously built floating dock FDN2 has been made by Larsen and Toubro, and it was launched at Kattupalli in Chennai. Floating dock where which will work as jetty. Larsen and Toubro Technology Services, that is LTTS, has purchased Essentia Technologies of USA in $50 billion. Elbit Systems Cyclone of Israel with Mahindra Aerostructures has signed a memorandum of understanding for aerostructure parts and assemblies. Reliance Defense has signed a strategic partnership with LIG Nex of South Korea. Reliance Defense and Thales has signed a joint venture of 51:49, and together these will set up a plant in Mehan Says in Nagpur, and this project will work for 36 Rafale aircrafts, and cost will be $1 billion. Doklam area near Chumba Valley is under tension between India, Bhutan and China. This is a map of that. You can see Nathula Darra is there, which China closed for Mansarovar pilgrimages, and also the shaded, the underline area underneath there is Doklam, which is area which China claims that it is theirs and Bhutan says it is theirs. So in this map you can easily see all the parts: Sikkim, Nathula, Doklam, Bhutan and Chumbi Valley, which is at a very strategic location. So Doklam area China claims is theirs, and there is a tension between these three countries. National Maritime Day was on March the 5th. Army Day was on January 15th. Air Force Day was on October 8th. Navy Day is on December 4. This is additionally I am telling you. Army Chief is General Bipin Rawat. Air Force Chief is Air Chief Marshal Birender Dhanoa, and Navy Chief is Admiral Sunil Lanba. Please like the video, share the video with among your friends as much as you can, and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.